intermediates, welcome back. It's time for calendar. Calendar time is when we talk about the month, the year, the day, and the date. But let's first find out what day it is. Let's start out with the Days of the Week song. Give me a beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sunday, Monday, happy day. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy day. Thursday, Friday, happy day. Saturday is soccer day. Don't come to school because it's closed. That's right. So today is Tuesday because yesterday was Monday. And our song goes, Sunday, Monday, happy day. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. The date is Tuesday, April 7. And the year is still 2020. Great job. Today's weather is a little bit sunny with some clouds. So I put the sun up because it's daytime. Remember, intermediates, the sun is always out in the sky in the daytime. You may not see it, but it's there. And it is a cloudy day, so the cloud is covering part of the sun. And on a day like today, we still need to dress with long pants. We need our shirt, long pants or jeans, sneakers so you're safe when you're walking outside or in your backyard, and a jacket. Now let's look at the calendar and let's count the number so we can get that in. When the month of April started, we always begin with the number 1. Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. So remember, April 7, 2020. Excellent. Let's go take a walk over to our letter wall. Come on over. And here we see all of our alphabet. Are you ready to count? I'm sorry, are you ready to say the alphabet? Let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. By the way, today's letter is G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Let's move to the next window. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, Z. Take a look at that alphabet wall. All of those letters. Press pause so you can say the alphabet again and practice. I'm going to take down the letter G. Let's take a look at the letter G. G is a cousin of C. It goes all the way around and down, back up, and kicks in. Let's try to skywrite that. Start over here, up, down, around, back up, and come inside. G. G makes a sound G. G makes a sound J. G, J, G. Let's go look over at our sounds table for other things that begin with a G sound. Here we have a goat. G, G, goat. Big G, little g. Big G, little g. Big G goes up, down, around, and in. Little g is a small circle with a hook. Try to trace that. Hit pause. Put your finger on the screen. Another thing that begins with G is giraffe. G makes the sound J. It makes the sound G and J. Say it with me. G, J. G, J, giraffe. And we also need to remember the letter G for our color code. What color does G stand for in our color codes, intermediates? Say it. That's right. G is for green. Let's say it again. G is for green. Great job. Now let's head over there for the name game. I'm sorry, the numbers. Pointed in the wrong way. Here we go. Here is our number wall. Are you ready? I want to hear you count. You know all your numbers. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. You can hit pause and look at the number wall and practice counting too. When you're ready, hit play. Today's number is 13. That's right. 1 in the front, 3 in the back. Let me take that off the wall. 13. 1, 3. Say it and trace it. 1, 3. 13. Now let's try to count things that amount to 13. Here we go. Let's see. I hope I have enough tennis balls. Let's count. Are you ready? Hold your hands out. Get ready. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Great job. I hope you were able to count and catch. Now let's count 13 tools. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 tennis balls, 13 tools. Let's head over there for the name game. Let's see who's with me today on Tuesday. There are a lot of names. Let's look on the screen, and when you see your name, shout it out to yourself. We have Luke, Olivia, Zoe, Jack, James, Easton, Alexander, Michael, Charlotte, Michael, Mason, Ryan, Mia, Emily, Stella, Sean, and James, who's also known as JP. Let's look at that wall of names again while I sing the name game song. The name game, the name game. We played the name game. The name game, the name game. We all played. I hope you found your name. Now, let's head over here for the shapes. Today's shapes have a lot of points on them. The first shape is a hexagon. Hexagon has 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points in a hexagon. And 6 points means 6 angles. An angle is when one side and another side meet right at a point. That is an angle. The other shape is a triangle. The word angle is actually in the word triangle. Tri means 3. Angle is what I just explained to you, when 2 sides meet at a point. So that must mean this shape has 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. Try to tap it on the screen. 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. Thanks for watching today's shapes of hexagon and triangle. And now let's go back over for our wipe-off board. Now, yesterday we talked about eggs, all different eggs, and the animals that lay eggs. It's all about new life. And plants and flowers are also life. They are living things. Let's talk about how a flower would grow. If we want a flower to grow, we first need a seed. We can use one seed or more, but we definitely need a seed to begin planting. And after we have the seed, we put it in the ground. And when it's in the ground, it will sprout. But in order to grow from a seed to popping out into a sprout, we need to make sure we add water. And what comes from the clouds that's made of water? Rain. That's right. What is rain made out of? Say it. Rain is made out of water. Excellent. And to make sure that the seed will sprout after it's watered with rain, you need the sun, because sun gives warm light to help it grow. So your seed that starts out like this will be in the ground or the grass, and we put it in. Then it will sprout. Sprout means something pops up out of that seed. And with more rain falling onto the seed that turned into a sprout will grow a long stem. Can you say stem? Stem is like the legs that you have. It helps keep the flower standing. Then another part of the sprout becomes the leaves. We know what leaves are. We see them on the trees. So from the seed will sprout a stem and leaves. Then something forms at the end of the stem. It is the inside of the flower, what we read about yesterday. And inside the middle of the flower are parts and pollen. Parts and pollen. That's why they're little dots. Then the other part of the flower are called the petals. Those come in all different colors, all different shapes, all different sizes, because every flower is different. And it needs to be in different colors and shapes, because some flowers want bugs and bees to come to it, and other flowers don't. So let's talk about this. The part right here in the middle is where the pollen is. And pollen is what makes people sneeze. So if you have allergies and your nose starts to tickle and it's spring, it's from the pollen that's flying all around everywhere because of the wind. And what is wind? Air that's moving. And the different pretty colors on the outside of the flowers are the petals. Great job. And a flower or plant would not be able to stand if it did not have its leg, which is called the stem. So, we definitely need to have a seed that will sprout once it gets water from rain and the sun. Great job. You did a great job listening. Now maybe you will draw a flower with Colette at art time. I'll see you later.